Everyone, welcome to our Tarang Planet sarees. All these are ready to wear sarees that have that the stitching is done, so you just have to wear these. So we have a beautiful sell them online by messaging us on a WhatsApp number. So let's start with the sarees first. So all these are 1 minute sarees. You can see the demo that is on the doll, how it's going to look. You can see the blue saree. So it comes with a pre-stitched pallu and even the pleats. All you have to do is wrap it around your chest and just wear it with the blouse. So here we are starting with an alter neck segment. So first is this nice green color 1 minute saree. It has come with alter neck and very nice detailing. And for anything that is sleeveless, we can attach sleeves. And this is the back. Beautiful fitting, like a nice dory at the back. And the saree even comes with a waist belt. So once you drape it, you can just tie the belt around your waist to hold everything in place. And this is the whole saree, like it's pleated. So first you have to wear it as a skirt. You have to wear it as a skirt and then it goes around your body. So this is the pallu. So this is how it's going to look. And this is the blouse inside. In this we have colors as well. Something like this would be perfect for a nice trendy haldi or mehendi events. Also very chic. Oh yeah, and you can order these from WhatsApp and don't worry about the fittings. We will get exact fitting done if it's going to be an online order. And these are the material for the sleeves. So nice silk material. So very premium quality that is completely matching the blouse. And you can see even the detailing on the blouse, it's very beautiful. Like all the floral work is nicely embossed with cut beads, pearl work. So nice. Even the collar pattern is really nice. And about the fitting, you don't have to worry anything about it. We will take your exact chest, waist, height measurements, and even for the sleeves, we take all of it and only then we send you your parcel. 8639564913 is the phone number for WhatsApp. These collections are not available on our website because these are latest. Some of them are available and some of them are not. So you can just see. So in the same one, we have one more color. Oh, and the price is 8080. 8080 is the cost, free shipping within India. So in the same pattern, we have one more color available. So a nice wine shade. It's like a gray shine of this one. Very nice cut beads pearl work. Even this one has sleeves and this is going to be the skirt. Like the skirt and everything. This will be the pallu. Like you have to wear the skirt and wrap it around your waist. And then this will be the pallu. This is how it's going to look. Like once you steam iron it, it will look very classy. Like you can see our reels and also website to understand how it will look once you drape it. So this is, and the price is 807890. This one is XL size. We have small, medium, large and also XL. And very few are available in 2XL, but mostly XL and L are available in almost every piece. So this is the second one. If you want to order this or want to know if it's available in your size, just message us on our WhatsApp number. And many such collections are available in our stores as well. So you can also visit our stores. Okay, the next one is again another color option in the same pattern. Alter neck. Price 7895. Even this is XL size. XL would be like 42 chest. And we do alter it according to your perfect body measurement. So nothing to worry about that. And the difference in this one is it is not a plain fabric. It has come with nice print. So this is how it will look. Like all these are very classy and very much trending today. So this is the front and then you have to wear it around. So this is going to be the look and even the blouse is very beautiful. So this is the blouse. It's gonna look something like this. Like once you steam iron it and get it fitted to your size, it will look very beautiful. Just for an idea, show them the blue saree once again. Mannequin, the one that's on the mannequin. Yeah, this is how a 1 minute saree is gonna look. Something like this. So once it's altered, it'll look very pretty. And this is the material for the sleeves. In case you don't want to wear it sleeveless, you can do it cap sleeve, short sleeve, anything. And this is one more color option. 8460 is the cost. Price is varying in each color because of a slight design change. Because of the work on the blouse, it is different for each. And all these sarees can be fitted. And again, it has come with nice ruffle pattern. And when you're buying it, we will also send you clear pictures. Like we put it on the mannequin and we send it to you so that it's much more clear before you confirm your order. This is the next color and just look at the beautiful combination. These are perfect, so classy and trendy. This is like very much trending these days. So something like this would be really good. Price is 8460. You can take a screenshot if you like anything and just place the order. So this is the next one. Until now, all we have seen are alternate. So let's see something different. So a nice blue color, pretty blue with netted pattern. Again, even this one comes with a belt around the waist. Like once you tie it, you can put the belt. And this is really beautiful. It is like a nice organza material that comes with ruffles all over. So it looks very nice. This is the front. Okay, let me just show. So yeah, it's gonna look something like this, like once you wear it. And again, there's a belt. And this is going to be the blouse. So the price for this one, 5850. Completely pre-stitched saree, 5850. And just do a close-up on the work, blouse work. Even this one has sleeves if you want. If you don't want it sleeveless, we can attach sleeves and just look at the nice material. It has beautiful shine and also there is detailing here around the shoulder part and has complete ruffles. So it's beautifully pleated and also has ruffles. This looks perfect for evening parties or nightwear, or if it's your birthday, any evening party, it's going to look nice. And even the fabric has beautiful shine. So this is the next one. Again, another alter neck blouse. This is very trending. We have restocked. This is also available on our website if you want to get an idea of how it looks, and it's available in two different colors. Price is 10,095. So let's see the red one, how it looks. Let me just show it to you. So it has beautiful fish cut firstly, and then you just drape it around. My doctor vatko. Yeah. You can actually see the picture on the website as well once our live is done. So you get an idea of how it's gonna look. This is just for an idea, like this is how the ruffle saree is going to look. And this would be the blouse. So it's a very beautiful design. It's available in two colors. One is this bright red and next we have this nice neon green. 10,095 is the cost. And this is the whole look. So if you want to order this, then you can send us a message on WhatsApp. And these are also available on our website. Like our model has worn it, so you get a complete picture of how it's gonna look. Yeah. So these are the blouses for this one. Next, let's see this white one. This is again a different pattern. First, we have the blouse, a ready-to-wear blouse, and this one has a sweetheart neckline. So it's very nice. This one is below 6,000. So below 6,000. Then we have a jacket to wear over the blouse. So it looks really nice, trendy. So this is the jacket. And this is the sari. So I'll just show you. This is very similar to the blue color sari that we have. And this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, it's gonna look something like this once draping. So this is how it's gonna look in black color. Something like this once it's draped. You just have to wrap it around yourself and just put the pins. That's it. It's very easy. Yeah. Something like this, just imagine. And this is the black color coat. Let me show you. And this is budget friendly, like it is below 6K. In this we have one more color option. There's a beautiful blue. And this is the coat that you wear over the sari.
What's the price for the black?
Yeah, 5995. 5995 is the cost. Okay. And in the same one, we have blue color too. And all these have belts too. So this is the material for the skirt. Comes with pleated pallu and everything. And this would be the jacket. So imagine like a sari like this and then a jacket over it. So it's gonna look something like this. This is not the jacket for this sari. I'm just showing it to you for demonstration purpose. But this is the blouse and sari. So this is the blouse. And then there is a jacket and a sari like this. Cost 5995. Next we have another set, another two colors. These are very unique dusky shades. One is this gorgeous mehendi green. Very beautiful, and this is XL size. And if you don't want this net thingy or anything, then we can also add a lining and close it up. So this is one color. And this is the next color, a beautiful peachy tone. And same again, it's gonna look something like this. So it has this ruffle skirt. So this is like a ruffle, same way like how this sari is looking. And then these are the blouses for this one. And cost for this 4695. So budget friendly, it's below 5000. It's just 4695 and we have two colors. So whichever color you like, you can just send us a screenshot to place the order. And all these also have belts. And this is the color option in the blue color sari that I just showed. Just open it up. It has a very heavy blouse. And all these blouses, you can like reuse it with your other saris, mix and match. So these are multi-purpose. Again comes with a designer belt around the waist. And this is the sari. Like it has nice ruffles, beautifully pleated skirt. And then this goes around. Something like this. So it's gonna look like this, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. Cost is again 6990. So below 7,000, we have another beautiful. And just look at the shine in the fabric. And I'll do a next live Just join the other one and I'll show you all these gorgeous Indo-Western outfits in that one. Thank you for joining in this one. Bye.